Okay, so you design something in Autodesk and you're trying to print it out on maybe you're under 3 or something, you're using Ultimaker, and you get this black square and a message that says auto scaled object to 10,000% of original size. You're wondering why, you don't know what's going on, and if you try to print out this file, it just prints out in like half a second. Well, the thing about this is, to fix it, you're going to go here to the bottom left and click on the object you want. You're going to go to scaling right here and you're going to type in 2540. Make sure uniform scaling is on, and you're going to type in 2540%. Hit enter and all of them will change to 2540. Now you're going to go down here to the object list again. You're going to select it, right click, and center the selected model, and it'll bring it up. Now you can slice it right there and it should be able to print. Now the reason for this is because Ultimaker uses millimeters and AutoCAD, and you use inches, and you're probably drawing with inches. So if you type in line and you type in here, you're dealing with inches. So I could put 2.5, 3, 2, and close, and that's with inches. So Ultimaker uses millimeters, and there's 25 millimeters in an inch, I think. I don't remember right now. But you got to scale it, you got to do some math, and then you're going to have to center the model, and it should pop it up, and you should be able to print it.